Hi guys, welcome to this new BitKings section called BitKings Research, where we're going to simply analyze how different crypto and blockchains projects work in a way that everybody understands not only what they are about, but also what are the purposes of their creation. Today, we're going to start off talking about Facebook's latest announcement, which is the launch of their own blockchain called Libra blockchain. Why did this become so famous instantly? Well, this video analyzes Libra's white paper, so today we're going to show you what is the value proposition of their project, and we're going to give you all the links so that you can check later on all the technical papers and everything that it's been published. Facebook identifies a big problem in the traditional financial sector by saying that it provides slow solutions as well as expensive solutions to all its users. So in other words, if you want to send money to Australia from Europe, this is probably going to cost you a 2% commission. It's going to take you 3 days and you're going to have to go through an exhaustive KYC process. So Facebook has not discovered a new problem. I'm sure that the whole audience that is now watching me will agree with me that there is a misalignment between the technology we're currently experiencing and the financial services we have been provided with. However, Facebook also refers to the underdeveloped countries where their citizens haven't got access to banking solutions. Maybe they don't have a bank account. However, they do all have mobile phones. Therefore, Facebook says that they can solve their financial situation if they start using Libra blockchain. Facebook defines Libra project as a simple global currency and financial infrastructure that empowers billions of people. We're going to analyze this definition and we're going to start by defining infrastructure. What do we know about Libra blockchain? Facebook says that it's being built on a secure, scalable and reliable blockchain. So we know these 3 things about the blockchain. First of all, it is a permissioned or private blockchain at its core, meaning that it has a limited number of nodes that can validate the transactions. And these nodes are chosen by Libra Association, which has its own rules and requirements in order to pick one or the other. Compared to other public blockchains such as Ethereum, these are permissionless and everybody can contribute to the validation of transactions. The importance of this point is that Libra is a private blockchain that has a limited nodes, which, yes, they are limited, but they are efficient and powerful, allowing Libra to conduct more transactions per second compared to other blockchains that are public, and therefore everybody can contribute to the validation of their transactions. Another characteristic of Libra's blockchain is that it allows smart contracts, and in fact, they are already developing their own language called Move, which will enable the creation of applications on top of this blockchain. We still don't know what kind of applications are going to be created on top of the blockchain. However, we're pretty sure that Facebook has everything figured out. The last characteristic about Libra blockchain is that it is pseudo-anonymous, as they will allow users to have anonymous addresses. However, this becomes a tricky point, as everybody that wants to move Libra coins will be using the Calibra app. This app is owned by Facebook, therefore Facebook will be able to track who are the owners of the wallets and their traceability. Now that we know a bit more about the infrastructure of Libra blockchain, we can move on to Libra coin. So far, we know that Libra coin is the native unit of Libra blockchain, and therefore it is going to be used to pay different transaction fees and the execution of different smart contracts and so on. The singularity of Libra coin is that it is fully backed by a basket of fiat currencies that will guarantee the stability of its value over time. We think that euro, yen and dollar are going to be the fiat currencies with more weight inside this basket given their stability in value. How do we ensure the value of Libra coin is maintained over time? Well, compared to other traditional cryptocurrencies, Libra coin will have an infinite and unlimited supply, meaning that it's going to be issued and burned according to the demand needs. How is that going to work? I'm going to explain it to you with a simple example. So if I am a user of Libra coin and I want to purchase Libra coins and I am an American citizen based in America, I will go to Facebook partner in America, which is Coinbase, and I'm going to deposit my money with Coinbase, and they will issue Libra coins and they will give them to me. And the other way around, if I want to sell my Libra coins, I will again go back to Coinbase, and if I sell them, they will burn the number of coins and I'm going to get my dollars back. So that's what's gonna happen.
When moon! When Lambo!
Okay, sorry guys, but it looks like Facebook is never going to pump. Therefore, if you're looking for the next big thing in investment performance, you'll just have to keep looking. So now we know about Libra blockchain infrastructure and about Libra coin. But what is the rest of the world thinking about this? Crypto influencers generally agree that Libra is not a competitor to Bitcoin and other traditional cryptos. However, it is legitimizing the crypto sector in today's society and institutions. However, they find a problem, as they say that Libra is not blockchain, as it is permissioned and centralized, which is contradicting the whole purpose of public blockchains. With regards to multinational companies, we know that as soon as Facebook made the announcement, all media placed the focus on Facebook, and this is because it's got really big, huge partners, such as Visa, MasterCard, Spotify, Uber, amongst others. However, little has been said about other multinationals, but we honestly think that other big tech companies such as Google, Apple, Amazon, etc., they'll probably make a move in the next few months or the upcoming future. Related to this, please notice that none of the partners belong to the banking sector, which is a fun fact. With regards to public institutions, they have generally presented a stiff and negative reaction to Facebook announcement. We think they might see it as a threat to one of the fundamental pillars of today's society, which is money and currency. For instance, the American Senate has been summoned next month to talk about this announcement, and we'll see how they figure out how to deal with it. And governments in Europe have also expressed their concerns related to Libra project. So, to conclude, we expect Libra to be released in summer 2020. However, given the negative institutional reactions to the project, we think the release might be delayed or even cancelled, depending on how it goes. Unfortunately, there's not much we can do at this stage. We can just keep our eyes open, but don't worry, because we will be doing that for you. We will be publishing more videos updating you on what's going on here on BitKings Research. Well guys, thank you for watching. This video has come to an end, but remember that BitKings platform is opening its gates soon, and because of that we want to reward the first 1,000 subscribers. Therefore, if you're watching, you have to subscribe down here, just press the button and then open our Telegram group and text us saying that you're a subscriber, and we will reward you with 100 BTK. Bye guys, thank you.